The Program Review, Concur, or Non-Concur Provide Comments process allows licensed users within the Program Office to review the PHI summary brief of the program and provide concurrence or non-concurrence with a comment. The authorized users will receive an email once the Office of Acquisition completes the assessment of his or her program to allow the user to review and submit concurrence or non-concurrence on the PHI summary brief. To access this process, a licensed user logs into the Acquisition dashboard via the recommended Chrome browser at enablement.us. The dashboard supports the latest 2 versions of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. The user can use any browser. However, Chrome is recommended as it provides the best performance and layout controls. The cloud-enabled dashboard can also be accessed from personal devices, including mobiles, tablets, and laptops. Upon login, the user will notice 2 applications, PHI and Quad Charts. The user can click on an application icon or its name to expand or collapse it. The PHI application provides only one process to the users of the Program Office. After expanding PHI processes, the user can find the process, Program Review, Concur, or Non-Concur, Provide Comments. However, the user does not need to remember the application name and expand it to find the process. The Find a Process field provides Google search capabilities, and typing just a fragment of the process name, such as concur, brings up the process. When the user clicks on the Program Review, Concur, or Non-Concur Provide Comments process, it allows the user to select the PHI summary brief date. The dashboard displays the most recent date on the top of the list to add to the conveniences to the user. To review the brief of the current period, the user simply needs to click on the My PHI Report button. When the user clicks on the My PHI Report button, the dashboard displays the score of each category, assessment, trend, and OA comment, along with the overall average score on a scale of 1 to 5. Non-applicable categories are not scored or weighed when deriving the average score. The dashboard allows the user to submit concurrence or non-concurrence decisions. On selecting concurrence, the dashboard enables the Build Email button. The dashboard does not mandate a comment, so the user can add a comment if required. When the user clicks on it, an email is sent to the PAE so that he or she can also review and provide concurrence. However, on selecting non-concurrence, the dashboard requires that a comment be entered and enables the Build Email button only after a comment for non-concurrence is entered. When the user clicks on the button, an email is sent to the Office of Acquisition so that they can review and adjudicate the non-concurrence. Once the non-concurrence is adjudicated, the user needs to resubmit the concurrence along with the optional comment so the dashboard can send a message to the PAE.